You can give limited permission to your support staff who work in your subunit or your distributor, for they can give support just defined groups. This user can see just that group is an available option in Alpemix. This option can used by just main user or super admin. For example, our company have two distributors. We must define an username for them. Click Add User button. You can define username and password on this form. We wrote username and created a password. Click Create button. You can see company 1 as your sub-user on the list. We will add one more company. As you see, company 2 on the list. We will add two different groups for customer group. Click this icon. We wrote group name as City 1. Then OK button. We created two groups. We will define some customers for that groups and we will add them in groups. We have customers in city groups. We want company 1 can see just city 1 users. For that, right click on company 1, click limitations and click limitation for customer. Choose just city 1, add click limitation for customer and save button. Now company 1 can just see city 1 user. Now we want company 2 can see city 1 and city 2 users. For that, right click on company 2, limitations and click limitation for customers. Add city 1 and city 2, click save button. Now company 2 can see city 1 and city 2 users. Users which in administrators group can see all customer group if they haven't got any limitations. Alpemix test and support staff can see all customers user. Now we will log in the system with customer 1 and customer 3 from other computer. We can see customer 1 and customer 3 as online on the list. We can see all user which in customer group because we logged in program with Alpemix test and Alpemix test has no limitation. We will log in the program as company 1 and we will check how does it look. Click registered entrance. We use that form because we are sub-user. Write main username, sub-username and password. We wrote informations. Click login button. We can see the list. As you see, company 1 can see just city 1 users. Because company 1 have a limitations, it can see just city 1 group. We will log in the program as company 2 and we will check how does it look. Click registered entrance and use that form. We can see the list. Company 2 can see city 1 and city 2 user because it has limitations. There was Alpemix user in customer group. Company 2 cannot see Alpemix user because company 2 has permission to see just city 1 and city 2 users. We will log in the program with customer 1 and customer 3 and we will check how does it look. Click registered entrance and use that form. We wrote informations, click login button. Company 1 and company 2 have permission to see customer 1, so they are on the list. Alpemix test and support staff are on the list because there were no limitation for them. Customer 1 can see that users which we defined or non-limited users. We will log in the program with customer 3. Click registered entrance and use that form. Customer 3 can see just company 2 because customer 3 was defined for company 2. And he can see Alpemix test and support staff because there is no limitations for them. You can create a group for your distributor and you can define that your sub-users can see support staff which you want. If you integrate the Alpemix program to your own software, you can use that system more simple. For example, City 1 user can give support with a single click from support staff who in administrators group. We will try this. For example, you don't want define an username for each customer. We will delete users in groups. After that, we will create a group password. Right click on customer 1 and delete person. We deleted users. We will create a password for City 1 and City 2. Right click on City 1 and add group password. We wrote password, then click OK button. We created group passwords. We will run Alpemix program which we integrated to our own software. We will run our program. For example, my program is our software and this is CMX module. Run the program. We will see that how your customer can take support with a single click. If you click Help One button, you will log in with City1 automatically according to our software. Click Help One button. We are connecting. We can see list now. We will click Help 2 button to log in City2. Double click on program. If you click Help 2 button, you will log in with City2 automatically according to our software. Click Help 2 button. We are connecting. You can delete now. You can watch how you can integrate Alpemix to your own software in next video.